Hi, my name's Paula. I'm one of the IT commercial trainers here at Crawley College. I teach on the Introduction to Programming course. We know coding can seem a scary prospect, and you may think you need a science degree to learn how to code. But every programmer must start somewhere. With this interactive course, you can work on exercises with support from teachers like myself. And the aim of this course is to introduce the programming language Python. The course is designed to teach the tools one by one, and students learn programming by programming. Python is an excellent language for beginning programmers. For this course, you do not need any prior knowledge of coding. You do not need to know anything about programming or computing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or my colleagues at Crawley College.